Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add extension in iPhone. So first of all, open the iPhone setting, scroll down to the apps, click on apps and search for Safari. You can see the Safari application is showing. Click on this. Now scroll down and look for option like extension. Click on extension and you can see ChatGPT search. If this option is not showing here, click on more extension, then scroll down to the app store and click on ChatGPT and install it. I already installed it, that's why I'm ChatGPT for search is showing. So click on this and allow extension. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful for you. Please like the channel and subscribe the channel.